In today's video, we'll discuss about what a Bitcoin is and who created it and when. A Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency. That is, it is not backed by any central authority. There is no interference of intermediaries. This decentralized digital currency can be sent from one user to the other user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need of any intermediaries in between. What a peer-to-peer network is has been discussed in a separate video. Now let us see who has created the Bitcoin and when. The Bitcoin came into existence on January 2009. The founder of Bitcoin is assumed to be Satoshi Nakamoto. Now why am I saying it is assumed to be is because first of all this man went public and denied the fact that he created the Bitcoin. Secondly, there are even people who claim to be creating the Bitcoin. One of them is an Australian entrepreneur. So we can say that it's still a mystery as to who has created the Bitcoin. If you like this video, then do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.